Luto si mama ng ayan, sinigang, tapos may beans, carbonara sa akin. Si ate talaga, rice talaga si ate eh. Talaga siyang rice.
Sugi yun, ang daming tinapay na kain. Kumain ka na kasi
Kalam na yung chan
ako katikim-tikim kanina, ikaw. Hindi pa
ito
kayo
mga
kumain.
paligid ko. Mami, we eat first. Yaren, higher to them. Ready eating. You do that later, okay?
Rice daw, rice.
Ah, right. Filipino
Rice!
Go to the shop.
Yes, to the heck, because the beer arrived. He needs to help mom.
Oh, mom?
Yes.
He's in the shop of his mother?
Yes.
Lulot na naman.
She rarely opens her market because she's sick.
Oh,
Yeah, she's old also.
What's that noise daw?
what happened?
Huh?
Yes. They did not yet cut. It's cooking.
Now she's taking medicine. Yeah, hopefully we pray na it will be okay.
Dito po ang wala ka. Barbie, ayarin. Come here. Ayarin.
It's very good.
Come here. Thank you.
Parang meso, no? Oh. Kulang na lang dyan miso nga powder.
You cannot
Alam mo naman si mother niya.
Ano ka na lang hipon, ha? Siligang. Wala namang hipon. Salmon na lang nilo.
Hello.
Yan. Kain na kayo.
Oh, you have an echo.
Yeah?
Oh.
Close the door. Airport. Don't go there. You stay there and Ate Shay, we gonna stay in your own bed.
This your place.
Wait. Guys, close yan talaga sila.
This is
Kuya Sersha, this is the remote if you want.
This is our snare gun.
I don't know if you will fit there. Yeah.
The last time.
Yeah, you slept there.
And then look at you.
Yeah.
And this is the pencil. You can see if you like yourself.
Nagpapakita siya, guys.
And then look. This is magic pencil.
Magic pencil. That is magic pencil. Maybe they will sleep, Kazem. They will rest because they tired.
You know what this is?
Oh, okay. She wants to entertain you. Honey.
That's the. How do you say that? A little animal.
Uh-huh.
With an, how do you say that? Teddy bear?
Yeah, I see.
How do you?
Guys, nagbibigay na sila ng ano, mga
Thank you,
ah. Thank you. Yes, you can open.
Okay, first.
I think you will put chip. I think you will put it there.
I think you will put it. You know much better.
Yes, look at how fast I can put this down.
Hmm.
This is the water. How are you gonna put this in the water?
Oh, really?
This one. Oh,
It's
you can throw it in the pool, and you can dive to get it.
yeah. May video naman.
Lumalayo na si Mother. Lumalayo na. Lumalayo na ko po, guys. Ito na yung ano ko. Pinadala ko talaga to, guys. Oh. Masarap to eh. Wow, what is this? Ah. Wow. Rana, this is our favorite. We really like it. Yeah. We don't...
You try to say it, hagelslag.
What again?
You try to say it, hagelslag.
Hagelslag. I don't know. It's so hard. It's so hard. I cannot. It's so hard. But what is in English? Sprinkles?
The sprinkles, yeah.
Sprinkles, yeah. It's
Chocolate sprinkles.
chocolate sprinkles. Masarap yan siya, guys. Lalagyan mo siya sa ano, butter and ano, bread.
I would like a torso.
Uy, wala na daw sa...
And then this is my favorite torso.
Ah, she's so prank. She will say what you want to say. Yeah? Nag-thank you ka? Thank you.
Oh, to color. This a
Ano
little
ibigay
hint to
nila?
the present. A little hint. Okay. You guys need to share all the presents we now give to you. It's okay.
This one?
You need to share it, yeah, with Barbie and Nesta, yeah.
Is this movie?
No.
It's a game.
This. The controller. The main station.
Thank you ka.
Wow.
The screen. Then you have the box, but it was so a big box. We have the, how you say that, the case, so you can bring it to the villa if you want and play with it.
You know what?
And the first controller and the where's the
Wow.
No problem.
Thank you.
You're missing some controllers. Donna, you miss a controller.
I will go around.
We still have 3 other controllers, so they can play with the
Together. Huh.
and they are all multiplayer games.
Oh, what are you going to say? Rana, they are always like that. When they go here, they always give gifts for us. It's Filipino thing. What about in Dutch? Are you like that also? Efendim aşkım. Tamam.
What is tall?
Saya naman yan.
Yes, die staat er nog.
Ang ngipin ko.
Start with this one.
Voor swimming, nee.
No.
Het is voor slapen toch, of niet? Of is dat niet voor swimming? Ik weet het niet.
Ganda.
Mommy, this towel.
Yeah.
It's clothes.
What?
It's a clothes, not towel.
Ah, it's clothes.
I think with something
Yeah, the fabric is like towel.
Oh, mommy, it's so
Yeah.
it's Anna.
Goofy.
Wow! Ang dami nilang gifts. Yaren have a lots of gifts. Huh?
Mama, wait. Wow!
Wow!
Cannot see.
Mommy, look.
Show to mama.
Yeah.
What is it?
Barbie, je boek vind je, hè? Barbie, you have much?
Where did it look?
Look!
You have also nice things, hè? This.
Yes.
Niregaluhan din sila ng Nintendo, guys. Oh, a sleeper! Wow, that's so nice.
Baba Pro? No, always take that, yeah.
That's so nice. You try the Crocs daw. Naka-Crocs ka pa.
Wow, ang ganda.
Mommy, look.
Wow, ang ganda.
Wauw.
It's so good, yeah.
Beautiful dress.
Je moeder is boven. Waar ben jij dan op die Die staat er.
Wow, ang ganda naman.
Ik snap het allemaal niet, volgens mij. Ze trekken me op. Ik volgens mij op maandag of zo. Nee, volgens mij op zondagnacht.
Is this my bag?
Yes, that's yours.
Laten we daarheen gaan. Is je moeder niet bij jou of je hebt zit dicht op je
I will
slaapkamer?
bring this if we go.
Okay, nag-thank you ka po ba?
Ik weet niet hoe laat het is.
Wow, may perfume ka din?
Nagustuhan niya?
Oo.
Thank
Thank you naman yun, thank you. Thank you to buy me daw. Thank you.
Ja,
Ate, tuwal.
Tuwalya nga naman, di ba?
ga ik nou zeggen.
Kay Ate Lado. Kami tuwalya.
Ik zal het niet vergeten.
Ito sa ima.
Aba!
Ito yung sa, ito. Wala yan naman yan. Ay, wala na isa.
Mijn kind is de towel.
Kaya pala, oh. Sabi, this is a towel.
Mommy, I have like this.
Yeah, ang ganda.
It's warm.
Yeah.
Mommy, can you sign on? Sign back for me. That's not good. Thank you guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, man.
Ma- Ha? Email? May email?
Mommy,
Efendim.
I'm bringing this all of it, my
Oh. Kuya, nasa first should look yung sa'yo.
I said
Oh, veel hè?
Wow. Ang dami nilang regalo, guys.
It's also nice.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you, ate.
Salamat.
Wow.
Pero nung ano yan eh, short.
Oh, may shirt pa ka.
Mommy, I think I will bring this on the ano.
Yeah, you bring that. Sobrang saya nila. They are so happy.
Mami, my favorite naman.
Wow, naka-crocs ka pa. I'm so happy. Thanks.
Jo, welkom.
This is keeping
Thank-
no more.
Oh, so,
Thank you, guys.
wow. Naka-crocs ka pa.
So massage.
The Meg.
Wow, kasya sa kanya. Kasya ba sa'yo?
Just wait on a minute. Look, it's so soft.
Oh, it's so soft, Nox naman. So soft. Talaga naman.
You are so happy, Yare? What about the toilet, towel?
Asa na ito? Ami, is this towel? Wow, ang ganda, kuya. Pang aesthetic.
Can I help you?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh,
Print na yun.
ang cute.
Right now.
It's not going out.
Oh, ayan, lalagyanan mo. Mm. Thanks.
Mommy, look.
Yeah, ang ganda. Ayan, wow, ang ganda.
Look, I have
Ba-
something like this.
Yeah, it's a pony. Wow.
I have pony and I have this.
Sabi niya, thank you, guys. Wow. Dali mo yan sa Antalya.
Ayan pa, oh, dami, oh. Anda.
O, dadali niya daw yung bag. Dadali niya daw. Mm-mm. Wow, ang ganda niyan, kuya. Ang ganda. Yeah.
It's a set.
Ah, it's a set. It's a set with the black short. Wow naman.
It's my first time to wear him no more.
Oh, first time niya lang daw daw makawear niyan.
Papa, this is cinnamon.
Ah, that's Cinnamore. You so happy?
I asked you
Yeah.
for scissors.
No, Rene will help you. Wow! Yan, pang football mo yan.
Wow, yan.
Oh. Ang ganda.
Nice jogging pants.
Scissors? I have scissors.
I have scissor.
Hey, Scorpion. Look at the Barbie. She's a hard rock chick.
Oh, I
You like it, Barbie?
Kasi, tingnan mo naman, oh.
For summer, mommy.
Yeah. Ang ganda. So, dali mo yan.
Football.
Hmm.
I think that is more for Barbie or not?
Yaren. Wow naman, you have so many naman.
And I have toys. Look, like it. And an also.
Wow.
And a pencil.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, mommy, I
Wow.
got another pick.
Wow.
Hey?
Another last.
I
Dami.
don't know.
Sabi niya kanina kay Sir siya, Kuya Sir, when you come back here, can you buy me a watch? Kasi binigyan ni... Si Shay ba nagbigay sa'yo ng watch? Oo. Sabi niya, can you buy me like this?
Yeah.
Straight siya magsalita ate. Pag gusto niya talaga.
Dapat
Ha?
dalawa-dalawa.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yun yan.
Wow naman!
Oo. Kasi magustuhan din ang isa eh. Kaya ko na lang kinukuha sa
Sus, sus, sus.
Yaren.
Happy ikaw?
Yes.
Happy.
Dami mo ng...
Oo naman.
What about the towel?
Kijk eens, zo goed opvouwen. Goed ze doen, better than me.
So,
Wow.
okay. We should go into the garbage.
Nagtataka-taka siya pa kanina dito eh.
Ganun. Yung dalawa yung kami. Yung towel.
Yaren, what is this? Ha?
Gusto mo yan?
Opo.
Isip niya na, ready.
She have a small luggage upstairs. She was the one who packed it.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh. Wat goed, hè?
No, sa'yo dyan ate. Ang gaganda damit mo ah.
She's like an adult when she's...
Yeah. I-haul ko sa inyo yung mga binigay sa akin ng ate ko. So, hindi ko pati makikita. Sabay-sabay natin tignan. So, meron tayo nito. Bag. Pambakas pang ano, beach. Ayan. And then, Crocs na sandals. Guys, sila Yari na tsaka si Nesta, may mga Crocs sila. Si Barbie naman, shoes na Tommy Hilfiger yung binigay ni ate. Thank you so much. And she got me this. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kulay. Michael and Kors. Alam niya yung favorite ko na color, ha? Oo, ang ganda, guys. Wow. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda, guys. Tapos, merong isasabit mo na pag ganyan. Oh, diba? Ang ganda ng kulay. Alam ni ate yung favorite ko na kulay. Oh, tignan niyo yung details. Ang ganda. Next, eto ring bag. Ang ganda, guys. It has, zipper inside. So, hindi mo basta-basta maanuhan. And, yes.
Ganda ha.
Ang ganda, no? Ayan. Thank you so much. Mahina rin yung boses ko kasi tulog silang lahat. Pagod silang lahat. And, this, wow, ang ganda.
Ganda.
Ayan. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ito, another dress. So, this one naman is, wow. Ito yung, ano naman, jumpsuit. Ang ganda, guys. Oh my gosh. Saktong-sakto lang sa akin.
Yun ang mga kulay gusto ko.
Naku, ito yung mga gusto ni Mama. And also, wow, a perfume.
Mami, lahat kami pinila natin ng perfume.
Yes. Lahat sila may perfume. Wow, ang bango. Ito yata yung perfume ni ating gamit eh. Ang
Look at
bango.
this, man.
Ito is, I don't know kung para saan to. Tanong natin mamaya yung ate ko. Pero parang siguro dito siya. Iaano mo. Or something. So, ayan. Thank you so much. Ang ganda na ito, guys. Ito naman yung ano, binigay niya kay Mama. Ito ba? Ang ganda. White shoes. And then, same din kami. Ito yung kay Mama na bag. Tapos, ito perfume. Skincare or ointment na perfume. And, may sandal ka, Ma? Sandal. Oh, nakikita ko to sa TikTok yung gandang bag. And, eto, yung relo. Guys, ganyan yung ate ko. Palagi siya mahilig siya magbigay-bigay. Kung may makikita ko yung mga brand, may mga brand na mga sinusot ko pag nag-outfit of the day kami, lahat yung galing sa kanya. Wow! Ito meron din daw si Mama.
Yun yung sinasabi naman.
Ito din. Black naman kay Mama. Same tayo. Ang ganda. Wow. Ang ganda. Guys, ito rin yung binigay niya kay Mama. Mga perfume. Ang daming perfume. Tapos mga damit. And also yung sandals. Ay, ang ganda, Ma. Ay, ang ganda, Ma.
Gandahan.
Ang ganda.
I-try mo nga sa iyo.
Wow, ayan. Ito para sa kuya ko. Ayan. Yung umuwi siya dito, guys, ang dami niya rin binigay dyan. Mga perfume, mga damit. Ito yung mga damit na binigay niya para kay Mama. Hindi ko na isa-isahin.
Ay, Mami, ang ganda.
Wow! Ang ganda ba? Yeah, ang ganda. Oh, di soap pa yan. Oh, mga naka-crocs kayo, ah. Soap pa yan.
Shoes.
Yeah, sa'yo, Tommy Hilfiger.
But it's a little bit big. Maybe,
Yeah. Guys, ito yung gift ni ate kay Gunner. Ito, ang cute. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang ba, naka-crocs pa ang asawa ko. Tapos may t-shirt. And then, ayan. Ito yung ni-request ni Gunner. And also, nagdala rin si ate neto kay Gunner. Magugustuhan niya yan. Thank you so much.